In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zotero with Overleaf. We'll take the references you've organized in Zotero and make them available in your Overleaf project by exporting a BibTeX file and uploading it. This approach keeps your citations consistent and easy to manage. Start in Zotero. Open the Zotero application so you can access the library or collection you want to use. If you're exporting a specific set of references, select that collection first so the export includes only what you need. This helps keep your Overleaf project tidy. Next, go to the File menu at the top left of Zotero. This is where Zotero's import and export tools live. From that menu, choose Export Library. Zotero will ask what format to use. Select BibTeX. This creates a .bib file, which is the standard format Overleaf expects for bibliographies. If you already have a file naming convention, apply it here, something like references, a bib, or library. Bib makes it clear what the file contains. You'll also see options like exporting notes or file attachments. Exporting notes can be helpful if you rely on them for context, but attachments often include PDFs and can make the file heavier without being directly useful on Overleaf. Most people leave attachments off and include notes only if they're important to your workflow. When you're ready, click OK. Choose a folder on your computer where you'll be able to find the file later and save it. You now have a .bib file with your Zotero entries. Head to Overleaf and open the project where you want to use these references. In the Overleaf editor, go to the File menu at the top left. Choose Upload File, then click Select File. Navigate to the .bib file you just saved from Zotero, select it, and open it. Overleaf will upload the file and list it in your project's file tree. At this point, your bibliography data is in the project and ready to be referenced from your LaTeX source. You'll see the citation keys that Zotero generated inside the .bib file. Those are what you'll use when citing within your document. If you ever update your references in Zotero, repeat the same export and upload process to replace the .bib file in Overleaf so everything stays current. That's it. Export from Zotero as BibTeX, then upload the .bib file to Overleaf. Keep your file name consistent, decide whether you need notes, and re-export whenever your library changes so your project remains in sync.